How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the variable or adaptive layer height in Bambu Studio. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your project. In here, you then want to click on your model, and then we want to navigate through the variable height function. Now, before we do that, basically a variable height is a feature that automatically adjusts the thickness of layers during printing to balance the surface quality with speed. Basically, it uses tinier layers for detailed, curved, or sloped surfaces to reduce visible lines and thicker layer for vertical, straight walls to save time. Now, it is activated by just navigating through the functions right here. And then basically we have the variable layer height. Now, how this works is that the software analyzes the geometry and applies lower layer heights, often shown on green. So basically we can adjust that right here manually if you want to do that. But if you want to use the adaptive one, just click on adaptive. This will then change the color of our model right here. Now, this will smooth out curves and more. Basically, it will be often shown in green or orange for flat areas with this one. So as you can see on this specific areas, it will be much curvier. So you will be able to see the green layer right here. Basically, this significantly improves the surface finish of rounded or sloped 3D printed objects. I also suggest applying the smoothing feature by clicking on the smooth option. And as you can see, it will then smooth out the transition between each layers for our specific model. So that's how you use the adaptive variable layer height in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.